Today we're using the Browning Exquisite 525. Once again, another lovely little gun. It's a multi-choke. I think this one's a 30-inch barrels as well. Some beautiful engraving there. I do like the engraving with a black background. Stands out quite a lot. I mean, it does get some nice looks from a lot of other people and a lot of other guns. Price range, I think it's about middle range really. I think you're probably looking around near enough the £4 mark or 3/8, somewhere around there. But I think they come to 32 and a 30. But yeah, no, it handles well. I haven't used it much this season, so I thought I'd get it out and blow the cobwebs off, see how we can get on today. Whether we're going to hit a lot, I'm not too sure. So, like I say, once the birds come, we can have a go and see what happens. Well, that was an excellent drive. Yeah, like I say, I haven't shot it lately very much, but yeah, shooting it really well. The first 2 birds that come out pricked hard, and the picker upper I think is picking them up down the bottom now. But the next 5 or 6 birds that come through, I killed them one shot perfectly, nice and clean. So yeah, no, I'm really happy with it.